To continue with our discussion, now we are going to discuss the partition of Bengal. Bengal was at that time a rich province that included present day Bihar and Odisha also. So, Britishers argued for dividing Bengal for the administrative convenience. They told that it is a big province, so it will be better administration if we will divide it into smaller parts. But the main motive of Britisher was to divide Bengali people. They wanted to make them less powerful by dividing in groups. So nationalist leaders were knowing their intentions, they opposed the partition of Bengal. Both the groups of Congress, moderates and radicals, opposed the partition of Bengal. They organized public meetings and demonstrations. And their movement was known as Vande Mataram movement. So Vande Mataram movement was the movement against the partition of Bengal. Next movement was Savdeshi movement. Savdeshi means from our own country. Swa means own, Deshi means country. So according to Savdeshi, Indian nationalist leaders favored use of things that are made in our own country. They wanted to encourage the idea of self-help, national education, use of national language, use of national cloth, and fight for Swaraj were the parts of Savdeshi movement. And some were in favor of revolutionary violence also in this movement. In the opening decades of 20th century, a group of Muslim landlords and Nawabs, they wanted to form separate group. They wanted separate group for Muslims. They supported partition of Bengal because they wanted their own province. And they desired that a separate electorate should be elected by the Muslim candidates, Muslim people, and their separate electorates will represent in legislative council. And at that time, Congress was also divided into two groups, moderates and radicals. They felt that if they split into groups, then it will not be useful, or it will not be in favor of India. So to fight against the British, they should be united. So the two groups reunited in December 1915, and the next year Congress and Muslim League also united by signing one pact that was called Lucknow Pact. So the both groups of Congress and Muslim League came together, and that was growth of mass nationalism against the